check. Hello, video. Hello, video. I read the mail 50250. Mad Dog, Alabama. We're in this ground plane. Just reading the mail. Break.
Hey, Mad Dog. Hey, Mad Dog in Alabama. Are you making too much noise? Speed 396, Northeast Ohio. Trying one time.
96, Mad Dog said I got this ground plane 15 feet off the ground. I got you 30 DVs coming in Alabama. 10-4.
For to enter, Mad Dog, I just want to wave my hand while I'm talking to you on my ground plane. They call me Speed 396, Northeast Ohio. Back out.
Let me get your phone on. All right, 396, have a good one now. Be safe and enjoy your weekend coming up. Mad Dog, Alabama, we're in this ground plane. These 3 steel tubes is gone. We'll see you.
You take care of it, Mad Dog, and I'm doing a video gate on you, man, so make sure to check it on my YouTube page, Speed 396. I'll label it Mad Dog on his new antenna. You call me Speed 396, Northeast Ohio. Bag out.
No, you're right. Yeah, that's right. All right, 396. Maybe we'll get together sometime and,
For tenor, Mad Dog. I think I lost you, man. But anyway, take care of Mad Dog. They call me your brother, Speed 396, Northeast Ohio. Bag out. We got a fella down here calls himself Boy. Anybody want to say hi to Boy? To San Bravo, read them deal. Oh. Put that out there. 309 there. You cut me quite much. What's the morning boys? Bravo to San Bravo. Oh. Hello, Eddie. Round on me, bro. What's going on, Eddie? Long time no hear, Eddie. Oh, yeah. Long time no hear. 502 in them. When you get your numbers called, you can be a hero. 502 in Central Florida.